You are stuck at A2. You know some grammar, you can introduce yourself, order a coffee, maybe even talk about your hobbies. But when you hear a native speaker, it's over. Everything sounds too fast. You panic. And you end up mumbling, ich verstehe nicht. And the question you should ask, why does this happen? Why do so many people feel trapped at A2 level and unable to move forward? And most importantly, how do you fix it? Well, that's exactly what we'll talk about today. Let's understand why most people struggle at A2. A1 is easy. You learn greetings, basic sentences, and common words. Every lesson feels like progress. And then you hit A2. Suddenly things get harder. The sentences are longer, the grammar is weird, and you feel like you are learning more but understanding less. Why? Because A2 is the transition phase where German stops being just words and starts becoming real language you have to use. Now let's break it down. A1 level, learning words and phrases, easy. A2 level, forming sentences, understanding grammar, speaking, hard. In B1 level, real conversations, confidence, fluency begins. And the thing is, most learners get stuck at A2 because they don't know how to transition. And now let's talk about the common A2 traps holding you back. Alright, now that we have talked about why most learners struggle at A2, let's go even deeper. Because the truth is, A2 is not just a level. It's a danger zone for many learners. It's the level where people give up and stay stuck for months, even years without real progress. So let's talk about the hidden traps that keep you stuck, and we'll also learn how to escape them. Okay? So trap number 1, learning words but not in sentences. You probably know a lot of German words, but when you try to use them in a sentence, your brain freezes. Why? Because words alone won't help you speak fluently. You need to learn them in context. And while learning words alone doesn't work, imagine you learn these words. Einkaufen means shopping, kochen means cooking, and arbeiten means working. Okay? You have learned this word. And now someone asks you in German, was machst du am Wochenende? Was machst du am Wochenende? That means, what are you doing this weekend? Suddenly you panic. You know the words, but you don't know how to use them together. And do you want to learn the fix? The fix is learn sentences, not just words. Okay? Instead of memorizing einkaufen, learn ich muss noch einkaufen gehen. Ich muss noch einkaufen gehen. I still have to go shopping. You see, you didn't only learn the word einkaufen, you also learn the entire sentence. Ich muss noch einkaufen gehen. Instead of memorizing kochen, learn ich koche gerne am Wochenende. Ich koche gerne am Wochenende. That means I like to cook on weekends. And lastly, instead of memorizing arbeiten, learn ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. Ich arbeite von Montag bis Freitag. I work from Monday to Friday. Do you want to know the secret to fluency? Learn phrases that you can use immediately. Let's talk about the trap number 2, which is the grammar trap. Many A2 learners believe they need to master all grammar before they can start speaking. But let me tell you something. Even native Germans make grammar mistakes. And I'm not even kidding. Think about it. Did you wait until you knew perfect grammar before speaking your native language? Absolutely not. You learn by trial and error. That's exactly how you should learn German. Want to know the fix? Use grammar in context, not isolation. Instead of memorizing endless grammar rules, do this. Learn through examples. Instead of just learning verb conjugations, memorize useful sentences. Speak with basic grammar. Don't overcomplicate your sentences. Start simple. Correct yourself as you go. Focus on communicating fast, then refine your grammar later. German grammar is not meant to be memorized. It's meant to be used. Okay? Trap number 3. The textbook German illusion. So you have spent hours memorizing grammar, studying verb tables, and practicing dialogues from your A2 book. You feel like you are making real progress, but then you try to talk to a real German speaker. What happens? You understand nothing because people don't talk like your textbook. You freeze when trying to form sentences. You think, wait, I thought I knew German. And why this happens? Because textbooks are great for structure, but they don't teach natural real-life German. And here's the fix. Learn from real conversations. Listen to actual dialogues, not just scripted textbook examples. Use my A2 German program where we practice real life situation, not just theory. You can find the link to my program down below in the description or in pinned comment. And the third fix is train your ear for spoken German. Get used to informal speech, slang and natural speed. And here's the thing, you are not learning German to pass any random test. You are learning to communicate. Let's talk about trap number 4, which is over-reliance on subtitles and translations. I get it, watching German shows with English subtitles feels comfortable. You feel like you are learning. But here's the problem. Your brain is not actually processing German. And the issue? Your brain skips the German and goes straight to the English. You recognize words but can't recall them when speaking. And you struggle to think in German because you are translating everything. And here's the fix. Switch to German subtitles. Start with German text to connect words with meaning. Use the pause and repeat method. Pause, repeat what you hear, then check if you got it right. And the third fix is shadowing exercise. Listen to phrase, repeat it without looking at the subtitles. And the goal should be train your brain to understand German directly without translating. Let's talk about trap number 5, which is the one-day motivation cycle. Have you ever started learning with full motivation, studied for hours, then the next week you stop? You are not alone. This is the one-day motivation cycle and it kills progress. And let's understand why this happens. You rely on motivation instead of study system. You get frustrated when you don't see instant results. You study in big bursts instead of small consistent steps. And here's your solution. Consistency over intensity. Study 20 minutes every day instead of 2 hours once a week. Track progress. Keep a journal of what you learn. Seeing improvement keeps you motivated. Get structured lessons in my A2 program. You don't need to plan anything. Just follow the step-by-step method. My program is a step-by-step structured system where you can learn everything step by step. Again, you can find the link down below in the description. And keep one thing in mind, that fluency is not built in a day. It's built in daily habits. And finally, let's talk about the trap number 6, which is what if people judge me? One of the biggest reasons learners stay stuck at A2, fear. You don't want to sound stupid, so you avoid speaking. But here's the raw truth. Mistakes are the fastest way to learn. And think about it for a second. When a child learns their first language, do they worry about mistakes? No. They try, make mistakes and improve. That's how you should learn German too. And the fix is change your mindset. Every mistake is progress. Each time you make a mistake, you get one step closer to fluency. No one cares about your mistakes. Most Germans will appreciate your effort and help you. Practice imperfectly. Speak even when you are unsure. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. And remember one thing, your goal is not to speak perfectly. Your goal is to be understood. So now let's see what is your next step. Now you understand why A2 is so difficult and more importantly how to escape it. But here's the thing. Knowing the solution is one thing, actually applying it is another. And that's exactly why I created my A2 program. To help you go from I understand German to I can actually speak it. And here's what's inside the program. Step-by-step lessons designed for A2 learners. Speaking focused practice to build confidence. Real-world German examples so you stop sounding like a textbook. So click the link below to enroll now and start making real progress. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.